stop. Kill the lights, kill the lights. Okay. Let me get the camera off the mount up here and show you guys what's really going on here. Okay, everybody, for all you that don't know me, my name's Jordy Johnson, and this is my channel, Carving Fusion. This is a hand I made a few weeks ago in a mold. One of those hand mold things. There's a video on it. I'll put a description below, maybe, this video. This is a mold I made out of one of my little wood spirits, so it's all together. So you guys know I painted this. I got some couple different colors. Just Carve Rob helped me talk about what colors to do for flesh, and then I gave it a black wash because, well, I like the old look of the hands, old dirty hands, right? And it's something brand new and nice and pretty. My hands are always dirty, so I figured it makes the perfect thing. So this is holding a mold now, and it's Mod Podge too, 2 times. So now this piece is Western Red Cedar First Growth is, I'm gonna make a base for a base for this hand. So this is gonna be the base. This hand is pretty off balance. See, watch. I guess I stuck my hand in the bucket the wrong way, but it doesn't sit. So I'm gonna make a base. I'm gonna carve this base for it in this video. So you guys will, some of you will see the pictures of George and some of his carvings, and it's Jordy's fault. Well, George is still is a huge member of Carving Fusion. He passed away recently from the virus. He was an admin in the group Carving Fusion World of Wood Carvers. He's the one that created the hashtag. It's Jordy's fault. He didn't hashtag it, but in the group Carving Fusion World of Wood Carvers on Facebook, he would always say it's my fault. So then everybody started saying it. So this, I thought of, George loved carving the little fairy houses and gnome homes and stuff like that, and he loved trains, and he liked carving the wood spirits and stuff like that too. But you know, I figure I want to make this a dedicated George video. This video is dedicated to George. He's no longer with us, so you know, I could carve a train, I could carve a whimsical little house or whatever, but George would tell me, Jordy, this is what George would say, Jordy, you carve whatever the hell you want to carve for a tribute to me. That's what George would say. George loved my carvings. He loved my channel. He was a huge supporter. So I thought about it. I've had a couple weeks to process it, I think. I'm going to carve what I want to carve and tribute it to George. I don't have to carve the train or the fairy house. I might do that one day later on and put it up there or something beside his thing. But I think this is freaking cool. This is freaking cool. This hand is my hand, and this wood spirit in here is my story. It's my story. I have a story, and I'm telling it with this channel, with my carving. Okay? So I'm going to carve on here. Can I get this hand out of the way so I don't break it? Okay? It's gone. I'm going to carve on here. It's not going to be a tutorial video, but I'm going to carve for George. I'm going to carve a staircase all the way around, spinning all the way around up to the top, okay? Only about that deep. Then I'm going to carve wood spirits and skulls in here, and if I wanted a flower, whatever I want to frickin' carve, okay? It's going to be freaking cool. That's all I got to say. I'm going to be using a Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr to start the carving off to block out the stairs. Okay, this is a Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr. If you want to get these burrs, just go to the description below. Use the code CFusion, and you'll save yourself 5% to the Kutzall site, okay? So I think I'm going to make this a 2-part video because this video is probably about 10 minutes long now. So this is the first part, and the second part I'll be able to focus more on the carving. So we'll just call this number 1. So number 2 will be coming up the same day. Okay, thanks, bye.